Hey, welcome back everybody. You are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host, it's Paul Motley here, and today I want to share with you a real quick and easy way to earn at least $200 today. Right, so if you are brand new and just starting out, then please take notice of this because it's something you're going to be able to use in the future. But if you're already starting to get some traction, you're already starting to get some results, then this is an ideal way to get a couple of $100 paid to you right today. Okay, so what I need you to do is go back and look and see what wins you've had recently. So is there something specific that you've done really well, some results that you've managed to get? And what you can do is you can actually offer to coach people one-to-one for $100 to get that result. Yeah, so basically just to go over for an hour exactly what you did from start to finish on how you actually managed to achieve that result. Because believe you me, the world of attraction marketing is massive right now. Yeah, if you go onto Facebook, you go into like groups which are affiliate groups for certain products or services, you will see people posting results. Yeah, and the reason why people post results is partly because it's motivational for people that haven't started yet or haven't quite got the results yet, and just to basically try and say, look, it can be done. It's not a scam. You can do it. This is what I've managed to do, so anyone can do it, right? So that's the motivational side. But also as well, it does kind of work with the attraction marketing side of things as well, because in most cases, if you do a post like that and yourself and say, look, what I've achieved, and this is super cool, I love the program, blah blah blah, this is what I got this week or that week or that month or whatever it is, there's a good chance people are going to be starting taking notice. They might add you as friends, they might send you direct messages asking for help, or they might just check out your profile. So if you have a post on your profile showing these results and saying, I'm willing to share exactly how I've got there, and I will spend an hour with you going through everything step by step, but it's limited, right? This is the important part. You need to limit it. You can't make this sort of thing evergreen. You've got to limit it to 2 people, and you will then say that as soon as it's been fulfilled, or as soon as the 2 spots are taken, you will remove the post. Okay, and it's a quick and easy way to get some cash together. Whether that is to just basically just because you want some extra cash, or you just want to build up some funds so you can run ads, whatever it is. But it's extremely effective, and you've got to remember that you are spending your time, because time is the one precious element that we have no control over. Okay, everyone starts out and everyone finishes with the same amount of time in the day. We only get 24 hours, and that is it. It's up to us how we spend it, okay? And obviously how valuable you place, the sort of like how much you place on your time. How valuable is it? So in some cases you might say, okay, right, well, you're going to teach people for an hour personally via Zoom call, screen share, dot to dot, and all that sort of thing, step by step, however you want to present it to people. Or you could go, okay, right, well, maybe my time's worth more than that, and charge more than that. So especially if it's a decent result, and there is, it's kind of like not something that everybody out there is teaching, or you found a really cool method for something, and you can do it that way. I did something similar last month, where I experimented myself, got some good results, and thought, this is too good to keep to myself. I actually want to help people. So for about 5 days, I put it out there. And if you've listened to the podcast before, just, you'll know about this already. But if it's your first time listening, then I do these podcast episodes every day. So make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss out on good stuff like this. And there's like over 150 episodes now, so you've got plenty to listen to, right? So if that podcast is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. So what I wanted to say was that I put it together. I said, right, okay, well, let's charge $99 for it. Okay, and originally I thought maybe I'll do it live But then I thought, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to stick it out and see if there's enough interest to start with, and placed my post and said, look, I'm only going to make it available till Friday. And I think it was like a Sunday night when I posted it. So 5 full days. And I stuck to my guns, and I did actually close it out on the Friday as well. And what's interesting was a bunch of people said they were interested in it, and I hadn't even recorded the training at that point. So I waited a couple of days and started building a bit more interest, and then, did the training, delivered on it, kept posting about 2 or 3 times, and especially on the Friday, I think it was like a couple of times on the Friday saying this is, it's going to close. I hadn't planned to release it again at that point, so I'd made that very clear. And in the end, a whole bunch of people took the training, which was great. As it turned out, it was so popular that I've since considered re-releasing it again. I've added to that training. I've put more stuff in there as well, but there's no big funnel, there's nothing fancy. It is just basically me talking on what I've been doing, how I've been doing it, and what I've been putting it together. So that's just a quick idea for you right there. So that's going to end it for today, and I'll catch up with you all again tomorrow.